Hey everyone, lots of Tarte today. Tarte released their H2O lip glosses, and I have a bunch of those, a bunch. Plus, I have several of the Rainforest of the Sea lipsticks from Tarte. We're going to try them on. We're going to see what goes with what. Some of these things I think can be standalones, and some of them I think should be best worn as lip toppers. So let's try them out. First of all, I do have an eyeshadow from Tarte. So Tarte has these chrome paint shadow pots, and they are wonderful. If you haven't explored these, they are so gorgeous. They are a very creamy, soft metallic in a pot. You can apply them with your fingers. It's very easy to work with. I have a couple of the colors already, but they have a new color out that is called Frose, and it is the most gorgeous pink gold. These are so smooth. You just put them right on with your finger and they're just so beautiful and highly reflective. So this is a strong pink. It has a duochrome overlayer that is not only a brilliant yellow gold, but it is like almost a greenish chartreuse gold. Yeah. Beautiful. I have that on my eyes right now. I'll show you how that applied, and it went on really easily. I used the Tartelette Flirt palette, little mini palette, for the rest of my eye look. And then we will get into the lips. I went crazy. I overbought. I went crazy on the whole Sephora and Ulta 15 and 20% off thing, and I bought a whole bunch of them. So we'll be comparing those, and here's how I applied this beautiful, beautiful green, gold, pink shifting duochrome eyeshadow today. And there it is. Perfection. It is just rose gold. A small brush and go in this inner corner here. Went on just as nicely with the brush. It's just that pigmented. I think I'm going to use this color in the little Tartelette Flirt palette. That is called Playful. You can go different ways on this color. You can make it very cool. I'm doing it a little on the warm. Putting the dark chocolate color called Snuggle in the outer corner. I'm going to use my new Morphe brush. It's a Morphe M506, kind of a pointed crease brush to bring some of that Snuggle color into my inner crease. It's my first time trying this little guy. Yeah, perfect for getting right in there. I'm just taking a highlighter color from another Tarte palette. This is the Don't Quit Your Daydream palette. Look what happened when I lined my upper lid. I was using the Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner, which I really like, and it turned kind of green, metallic, when it contacted that duochrome eyelid color there. I'm going to take another thicker liquid liner and try to make it more black. How funny is that? I've never had that happen, where the duochrome is just overwhelmed. Very unusual color, very pretty. These new H2O glosses, I love them. A lot of them are very holographic-y. There are several finishes in them. There's sort of a cream finish, and then there's a hollow finish and a metallic finish. So there's 3 different finishes with these. Let me show you. I have representatives from each group, of course. I went crazy. First, let me show you, Tarteist has a lip paint. It's part of this whole festival collection they've got going on right now, and it's called Mermaid. It's part of the whole Mermaid festival thing. Blue, sort of got a lavender shift going on in there, a little bit of a teal green. I do have on my lips right now one of the Rainforest of the Sea lipsticks, and that one is called Pink Sand. This one is beautiful. This one is a shifty peach, and it has that extreme gold shift to it. This one's absolutely gorgeous on. So here's what it looks like. It is a white, and it is a brilliant sparkling blue. I feel like I've seen this in so many different representations. That sort of opaline blue pink. And there it is on top of something. Sort of a milky blue. So just all over the lip, it is just a sheer blue tint. So here is the H2O gloss packaging. It is really interesting. You have this sort of ombre, summery, beachy looking top, and they have put these little flecks of clear stuff, clear plastic or something, and they look like little droplets of water. So each tube has a different pattern of that. So this is one of the metallic finishes. This one is called Getaway. I really like this one. It is a frosty purple. This is one I would say you can wear definitely on your lip by itself. The formula on these is quite thick, so they're feeling less watery than like a gloss and more like a lacquer. See how pretty that is by itself? It's not very, very see-through. It has kind of a little bit of opacity. My next color is a cream style, and it is called Hang 10. This is a nice everyday mauve. What a nice shiny everyday mauve. You can put a little liner on there and make it last a little longer. This one's good on its own. You can of course put it on top of something else. The formula on these is a little sticky because they are thicker than your sort of normal gloss. They're not a watery thin gloss, so it's a little sticky, but that's a gloss for you, and I'm so glad glossy lips are back now and just in time for summer. And here's another one that's sort of a standalone. This one is a deluxe sample that I got called Room Service. I got that when I ordered some of these. You could select your color. Room Service is a sort of a dusty purple. That one's pretty. That one's just cool enough. It's just a little cool, a little lilac, and a little purpley. Here's another shade that is the metallic type. This one is called Bahamas. It's almost a holographic. Let's try that on by itself. I'm gonna put all of these on the back of my hand in a minute and show you the whole lineup. I really, really like this one. This one's my favorite one so far. Sort of gives a little warmth to the lips, a little warm color. And we have two holographic duochrome ones here. This one is called Fiji, and it is a light lavender blue shift. Kind of doesn't show up real well on the naked lip. Just a sort of a blue shift. I think this one is best as a topper. And one more of the H2O glosses. This one is a little, it's another duochrome. It's a little glitterier than the last one. This one's called Bora. Whoa, bright purple pink. That one is a bright purple pink, best as a topper, I believe. Okay, and here are all of your colors. We have Hang 10, Getaway, Bahamas, and Room Service. And up here we have the holographic Tarteist lip paint, and it is called Mermaid. Then we have Fiji and Bora. So let's take a look at the Rainforest of the Sea lipsticks. Okay, first of all, my favorite subject. This color is called Siesta. These are the Rainforest of the Sea. Very hydrating, buttery, wonderful lipsticks. This is a really good everyday nude. Sort of a deeper nude or a mid-tone nude. Let's put that Bahamas color in the middle of this one because it is very brown. This has a lot of brown in it. Yeah, it just kind of pumps it up a little bit right there. Next color is called Daiquiri, and it is a brilliant red. It's like a corally red. I got this as part of a kit where you got two of the colors in the mini size for $10. I thought that was a steal. That is a soft red coral. It's actually very pretty, isn't it? Next, as part of that little set, is Rum Punch. Here's another nice nude. These are so nicely pigmented and they feel really good. Okay, I love that shade. That is absolutely perfect. And I put a little bit of the color called Hang 10 in the middle of that. Next color is called Scuba Dive, and to me this is a lip topper because look at that. Whoa, lavender blue. So I would wear something like a nice liquid matte and then put that in the middle of it, maybe a purplish liquid matte, and put that in the middle of it. Last but not least is Salt Life. This is such a pretty color. It is a beautiful mauve. They have a different kind of glide. You can feel that they're very pigmented, almost like a matte lipstick is pigmented, but they're not dry at all. Let's put Mermaid on top of that. Mermaid is the Tarteist lip paint. And there you go. Okay, in the lipsticks, we have Rum Punch, Daiquiri, Scuba Dive, Pink Sand that I had on earlier, Salt Life, and Siesta. So I ordered today. As rouges, we were able to order from Sephora the new Marc Jacobs stuff, the new coconut stuff. I ordered a setting powder, and I ordered the new eyeshadow palette. Yay! So those are coming quickly, and Hourglass also, we had an advance notice of the Hourglass new products today. Ordering the setting powder from that, as well as there's a new serum. It says serum. You're supposed to be able to put it on top of your makeup to sort of freshen and refresh at the end of the day, under your under eyes. I can't wait to try that. And they're tinted. They're different colors. There's a shade range there. That should be here soon. So thanks for watching my Tarte extravaganza. I just love them. Thanks for watching.